Welcome to Smiling Santa. We live on planet Earth. There are many things around us. Some have life, some do not have life. Things that have life are living things. For example, human beings, animals, and plants. Things that do not have life are non-living things. For example, doll, ball, book, etc. Some of the natural things are also non-living things, such as sun, moon, and rock. But how do we know which is a living thing and which is not? There are 5 characteristics of living things. Living things need food and water to live. They grow, move, breathe, reproduce. That is, they give birth to young ones. Non-living things do not need food and water to live. They do not grow, do not move, they do not breathe, they do not reproduce. That is, they do not give birth to young ones. Living things need food and water to live. For food, human beings depend on plants and animals. Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Different animals need different kind of foods. Animals depend on plants or other animals for their food. Living things grow. All living things grow during their lives. First, a plant is just a seed. Then it sprouts and becomes a sapling. Then becomes a fully grown plant or a tree. The same way, a baby grows into a child, and a child grows into an adult, and finally an old person. Animals begin life either from an egg or as a baby. Birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. A calf grows into a cow. A puppy grows into a dog. Living things can move. Human beings and animals move from one place to another through their legs. Animals without legs swim, crawl, or slide using their body. Fish swim in water to move, and birds fly using their wings. Plants also show some movement. They move in the direction of the sun. Example: sunflower faces the sun and moves in the direction of sunlight. Plants like mimosa are sensitive to touch and move when their leaves are touched. Breathe. Living things breathe. Human beings and animals breathe using their lungs. Human beings and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surroundings and exhale oxygen. Plants breathe through the small pores on their leaves. Different animals have different organs for breathing, such as lungs. Mammals, birds, reptiles, and some amphibians. Gills, fish, and crabs. Skin, amphibians. All living things reproduce. They give birth to young ones. The process in which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Human beings give birth to the little ones directly. A woman gives birth to a baby. Animals either give birth to the young ones or they lay egg. Dogs give birth to puppies. Birds lay eggs and young ones hatch out from these eggs. Plants reproduce through seeds. Baby plants are kept inside seeds. When a seed is planted in the ground and is watered, it will start to grow. Learning about living thing and non-living thing is fun. Learning is fun with your own Smiling Santa. Smiling Santa loves you. You also show your love and like the video and say happy smiling.